It's not working. I still have my Filipino accent. Oh my goodness.
What the hell kind of accent you picked up for that?
Hello guys, bago natin lukuhin ang ating asawa, well, ito yung umaga ko. Huwag kayong mag-alala, magkatabi po kami kagabi. Gumising yan mga 3 o'clock kasi nanigarilyo. And then, hindi na siya bumalik sa kama. Kaya yun yung istorya namin kapag umaga. Na-issue kasi yan na hindi daw kami magkatabi. Tapos kung pakainin itong mga alaga ko, of course, yung 2 aso kailangan ko bigyan ng treats. Kasi para masaya sila, para proud sila sa sarili nila na kumakain sila ng umagahan. Swerte naman ito. So ngayon, aalis na naman kami kasi nagising na si Mr.
What's up, guys? My wife's explaining to me once again how Filipino food is the best food there is. And yes, I was explaining to her, in this country, this country is probably the only country in the world that doesn't have cultural food. You know, what's considered American food? Hot dogs, hamburgers, steak, French fries. You know.
Di ba sa Pilipinas, guys, kapag mag-estudyante ka and if you're in a student over here in the United States, there's no classes if it's snowing.
Not true.
There's no classes.
Not
or
true.
Flood also.
No. There's so many snow days a year. They don't usually give them to you unless there's like crazy amount of snow and the buses can't get through or something like that. Because they haven't used any, that's why they gave them one yesterday. Because even though they never would have made yesterday a snow day, they did because they haven't used any in this
Is that what it is? But
over.
even if it's done, even if they give the whole season over snowing thing, and then if it's snow every once a week, and there's no classes, Han.
Not true.
Han, if the kids
They don't
get
cancel school. Sometimes they'll make delay the school opening a little later, give times for the plows to go through, so the buses. But you know.
yeah,
No,
but
they don't.
compared to the Philippines, there's no
No, there's
classes.
snow in the Philippines.
No, I'm talking about flood, like typhoon, raining a lot, flooding, cancellation. The school. This is what I remember in the province area. In the
In
province.
a minute, I'll explain to you why.
Okay, the province, it is, if it's raining so hard, and then, for example, in my province where I grew up, if there's a flood, we can't go through because, it's like you have to swim, you get wet, okay? Everything's get wet. So, no class. And then, what we do, it's like, okay, there's no class, so everybody's gonna go swimming in the river and enjoying the day while there's no classes. And how about, okay, explain what do you think? Okay, finish your eating.
Okay. So you understand the concept. In the Philippines, you pay to go to school, right?
Yeah.
Every person goes to school, they pay. And here, everybody pays, no matter what. And whether you have kids, you don't have kids, makes no difference. Now, the schools get extra money from the federal government for how many days the kids are in class. So as long as they're in class 181 days or something, they get paid full amount of money. For every day less than that, they lose some federal money. So that's why the schools don't like to give them a day off no matter what.
Okay,
So they rationalize it, the vacation time, the winter breaks, the summer vacation, and so many snow days. They figure that all into the equation to keep them in school for the amount of days they need to get their government money. And that's it.
That's only my experience. I don't know the experience of people live in the big town, city. I know it's a different story, but I'm sure Philippines are surrounded with water. So every time there's always flooding. Lately, there's also when every time it rains, there is a flood. So, no classes. But anyway, so that's the story. And yun lang yung experience ko. Masarap maligo sa ilog. Kapag mag-ulan-ulan, it's really, really nice. So, that's really it. That's all I can tell ya. It's nice to see everywhere over here. It's so white. Surrounded is so white. I'm trying to speak like an English. My husband.
That ain't working.
It's not working. I still have my Filipino accent. Oh my goodness.
What the hell kind of accent you picked up for that?
You're funny, love.
Picked up a Disney cartoon accent.
Oh my goodness. No, I didn't. He gave me my water. Give me my computer. What are you giving me? What did you giving me, so? You giving me this one? It's a little tiny fish, eh?
Actually a penguin.
Huh?
Actually a penguin.
Oh, it's a penguin?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Dito ako sa sasakyan kasi ang init na dito. Si Tami andun sa ano? Sa tawag nito sa kung saan yung appointment niya, nandun lang sa likuran ko. Puntahan nga natin, be. Kanina pa yun ba? And then, mainit na dito sa sasakyan kasi. Saan yung ano ko? Tara. Puntahan natin. Nagtrabaho lang ako dito sa aking cellphone. Nakapag-edit na tayo't ganun. So, tara. Dito siya sa American Best. So, yan. Tara. Let's go. Wala eh. Saan tayo dadaan? Dito ako daan. Ang grabe yung ice o dito o nagdapon og. Nagdapon og ang snow. Dami dito din
Loyalty is fun.
Loyalty is loyalty. I'm loyal to Jollibee. I'm not gonna say Jollibee is not good.
You're not gonna sit there and say that this product is better when it's not just because for you. My loyalty will make me a liar. Really? What the hell is
It's
that?
not. I'm not. But the Jollibee is good for us. What do you want? What the heck? It's not being a liar.
My question was not is it good. The question is it better?
I'm going to find a parking that there's no.
My question was, is it better? Which one is better?
No, my question. Your
My
question.
question to you was always, which one is better?
Hello, there's no parking here. So yun, ito yun siya guys, kinain ko. Nalubat pala, namatay yung aking cellphone. Hindi kinaya, so ito siya, kanin, beef stick. Now guys, this is it. Jollibee versus Popeyes. Oh my god.
No contest, guys.
Jollibee is the best meal too.
But we waited because
We waited so
they
long.
didn't have spicy. So I said, if you want spicy, it'll take about 6 minutes. I said, I'll wait.
So yun guys, pinagtawanan ko lang si Mister. Nasa bahay na kami at meron kaming maraming broccoli rub. Niluluto ko lang siya kasi ito yung pinakamasarap para sa amin ni Mister na gulay. Mapait-pait pero masarap. Anyway, salamat guys inyong panunood. Kita-kits sa next time. Bye! It's raining. What time it start rain?
It's 6 o'clock
Tonight?
this morning.
This morning, so that means you're gonna be wet when you're going to your car. Yeah, but
See how that works?
everything is gonna get wet. What do you need in there?
Because it may be chilly also.
Oh yeah, you can wear that while driving. Makes you comfortable. I love you and drive careful and I'll talk to you later, okay? Let me know. Taka ba kayo guys kung ano yung gawain ko kapag wala si Mister? Kasi nabuburyo ako, nakaupo-upo lang ako doon, wala akong ginagawa kung nag-edit. At naburyo ako sa pag-i-edit ng mga videos, no? Paminsan talaga nakakapagod. So ang ginawa ko, tumayo ako. Nagkalat na naman ako sa bahay. Ang ginawa ko dito is nagta-transfer na naman ako ng mga gamit. Minumove ko sila hanggang nahihilo na silang lahat. O diba? So ito yun siya, ito yung nagawa ko. Tina-transfer ko siya sa dining room namin. Nandun ito sa living room kaso parang pangit. So yun guys, andito na. Hindi ko kinaya guys, parang nakulangan pa ako. Ang ginawa ko guys, kinarga ko yung yung chair na yan, kinarga ko at minove ko doon kung saan ko kinuha yung planter, yung display. And yun. So, yun yung mga gawain natin kapag buryo, no? Ako lang ba yung may problemang ganito? Or meron ding taong ganito? Alam ko yung kapatid ko ganito din nagmana sa akin. Charota! Mahilig talaga kami guys sa move. Kung merong bahay yung mga tao dyan, explain, pakitaas yung mga paa ninyo kung ganyan ba din kayo. Yung parang i-move niyo yung gamit na parang wala naman sa plano pero gusto lang yung mag-move kasi gusto nyong iba yung paningin kasi kapag gising niyo sa umaga, wow, kakaiba, nandito na yung couch. So, di ba? Oy, iwan ko na lang guys, masaya ako kapag ganito. Iwan ko, iba yung fulfillment. Parang nakatapos ako ng pag-aaral nito. Iba talaga kapag maglinis ng ganito guys kasi feeling ko talaga graduate ako sa college guys. Di ba? Nakatapos ako sa college, guys. Yung parang, wow, ang sarap sa feeling. Ganito pa lang makatapos. Meron na namang mag-react dyan. Ito yung ginagawa ko kasi gusto ko sanang i-arrange yung bedroom, kaso hay nako, ang hirap i-arrange yung bedroom namin, guys, kasi yung malaking salamin doon kailangan ang bigat. Kapag mabasag yun, patay ako ni mister, o di ba? So kaya dito na lang sa living room na lang talaga ako nito nakafocus, no? Next time iwan ko na lang kung saan ko ilagay yung TV ko naman yung ilagay. Nagutom pala ako, guys, nagluto ako ng steak. Inano ko lang siya, ininit, and then yun para makakain na kasi parang nagutom ako sa mga pinagagawa ko dito sa bahay. Yun, guys, yun lang yung asawang Pilipina dito sa Amerika pag pag isa kang housewife and then wala kang anak, ganito lang, palibot-libot sa bahay, masaya naman, o di ba? Kasi, guys, yung parang wala kang naririnig, ang tainga ko, guys, nagwiwisol. Hello, guys, tika muna, guys, ha, magsasalita muna ako. Ang nangyayari, naglilinis ako, 'di ba? Nakikita nyo, kinuha ko yung lagayan ng mga bulaklak doon. At ito kasi hindi na naarawan, and hindi ko na naasikaso. Tignan nyo naman, napatay. Hindi po natin ito kukunin yung patay, hindi natin ikakat. Ang nangyayari, kinuha ko siya sa lupa, and then nilagay ko siya sa tubig, look. So, sana makasurvive, pero yun. So, hindi ko alam, guys, pati maliit na dahon, nasisira. I think sa sobrang walang tubig na kasi nakalimutan ko din. And then walang araw doon. So kaya yun. So sana mabuhay po ito, guys. I'm sure okay naman siya. Pero mostly yung dahon na ano siya na natigok ba? Nag-brown, manitek. O sige na, guys, ipakita ko muna sa inyo sandali, ha. Ang dami ko pa kayang dito package na ipadala sa family ko, oh. Araw muna tayo. So, meron pa ako ditong package na ipadala sa family. So, yun. And ito na siya, guys. Napakita ko to sa inyo kanina, di ba? Simple lang naman siya. Simple. Pagkatapos kong naglinis, nagdesisyon akong maligo. Kasi naamoy ko na yung sarili ko talaga. Iwan ko lang si Batman. Pero yan, guys, pagkatapos kong naligo, binalikan ko yung trabaho ko para naman matapos, no? Bago si Mr. makauwi. Tapos na ako. At saka, masya-shock yun siya kasi iwan ko na lang si Batman kung ano yung pangginagawa ko. But anyway, guys, basa pa yung buhok ko dyan. Kailangan ko lang ito tapusin. Higaan pala yun ng pusa. Kailangan ko ding i-vacuum kasi ang daming buhok. Alam mo naman, pusa, no? But anyway, guys, thank you po sa inyong lahat sa panonood ng ating vlog. Salamat ng marami. And then, kita-kits tayo next time, guys, sa ating mga vlog. Salamat sa pag-click sa vlog dito sa YouTube. Thank you.